Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's Looker Studio tutorial, I will show you how to create and customize table charts. One of the most powerful visualization for reporting. So by the end of this video, you will know how to add tables and format them and filter them and make them look clean and professional. So let's get started. So for time being now, we are going to create the table chart in the Looker Studio. So currently we are in the Looker Studio right now. So if you click on the create, there is a report option. If you click on report, it will redirect to the either reporting side or connection side. Okay. So if connection is already established, it will open the connection. If not, it will ask for the connection. So here the connections are available. It's already existing connection. So I'm choosing the Adidas data connection right now. Okay, so in the right side, we can see the data and their properties as well. Okay, so in the top list, right, you can see the in the top tool, there is an option called Add Chart. So if you go here, you can add the this is the table and this is the table with the bar table with the heat map. So currently, we are going to create the table chart alone. Okay, so if you place the canvas here in the canvas, if you click here, it will automatically create with the any one of the one dimension and one measure. So those values are available here. You can see here the properties. So the retailer is the dimension and the metric is the record count. So if you want to change the metric, the metric value, you can go ahead and we can do. So I'm going to change the record count to the total sales. Okay, so instead of the retailer, I'm going to change it with region. Okay, so this is the region wise uh, sales data. Okay, so this is the region wise sales data, and if you want to change the any dimension or any metric, we can go ahead and we can add here. Okay, so and coming to the here, right, we can add one more dimension. Let me add the product. So yeah, let me rearrange. Yeah, it will be better. The hierarchy wise. Yeah, it will automatically it will adjust if you click here. Okay, so here it is showing the region wise product and product wise sales. So currently we have 30 records. So you can see in the bottom right, we have an option called the pagination. So how many you know per page, how many records you want to see. You want to see the 20 records. It will give only 20 records per page. So this is useful when we are going to download and print this kind of reports. Okay, so and if you want to see the top 10 records, it will give the top 20 records. If you want top 5, it will give the top 5 records alone. Okay, so currently which is in the descending order. So if you want to change this sales in order, okay, now we can see if I change the which is in the ascending order, it will give the ascending order with the top 5 records. Okay, so I'm going to uh, remove the top records. I will give the all the records, top 50 records. Yeah, now it's all records will be available in the single page. So if you go to the bottom, you can see the cross filters are available in the similar way. When you open the new links, it will open in the new tab. Okay. So the other portion here is we have tiles, styles we have in the for this the table chart. Okay. So if you want to showcase the title, you can enable here the title. Can give the product reason and product wise sales. So where you want to, you can give the font size and the color, the font size, font family, every. The changes it's already available here, so we can select which we want. If you want to the center, we can make it as a center. Can bold here. Okay, the other cosmetic changes we can see in the border. We can give the header, the table color grid. If you don't want any grid, we can remove the grid as well. You can hide row numbers. If you don't want any numbers, we can hide. This is auto adjust. Yeah, so if you want, you can make it out. Okay, and coming to the bottom, you can see the footer. If you want, you can add some kind of footer as well. Okay, yeah, the metric which is in the decimal point. If you want, we can add the compact numbers or decimal. The background color also we can add here. The border color for the table alone. If you can, if you want, you can add the table color for the border color to this particular table. Okay, and the layout also we can change here. Okay, the matrix where you want to, you can place it in the metric the order as well. If you want to, you can place it in the center, and this is for the metric one. And coming to the dimension, we can place it in the center. Even this is also we can change it. Okay, so this is about the table one. So if you want to add some kind of, the bars or any other things, right, we can do it here. So if you coming to the here, currently which is showing as a number. So if you want heat map, you can show it in the heat map wise. Yeah, so which is identical, it will give the coloring. So if you want, we can give the you can change the color as well. You can give multicolors as well. Okay, there is an option we can give. Okay, in the similar way, if you want, so instead of the heat map, if you want to see some kind of bars, it will give the bars. So within the cell, it will give the bar. Okay, so we can go with the numbers right now. Okay, so if you want to add on the chart header, we can give the chart header as well, and there, the color also we can make it. Okay, so if you want to do some kind of, so grand total to this all the sales, we can go to the setup. We can see there is an option called the total. Show summary row, so it will give the summary of the all the rows. So basically this is going to give the all the values. So irrespective of, if I select, the 10 records, it will give the same value. If you, even if I select for the top 20, the top 5 records, so still we can see the grand total is same. It's not going to change the top 5 product wise, the sales, and the grand total also, it will be the same. So rest of the values are missing, right? In that case, you can just go ahead and add with the rest of values as others. So it will give to the others. So the thing is, the top 4 and including others as a 5 records. Okay, so in that case, we can go with the 6. So yeah, so okay, so and that's it. In our Looker Studio table, it's almost ready. The chart is ready. Okay, if you found this tutorial is helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Looker Studio and data analytics content. If you want any further videos, any particular topic, you can comment out. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching.